Hey guys, just came from Five Below. Let's see what about. But a used gaming headset. A used charging station. Let me open this. Comes with a piece for PC. This is only $5 from Five Below. You can see. It's compatible with Xbox, PlayStation 4, and PC. I'm assuming it still works with the Switch as well. Let's check this one out. It's the wireless controller charger. Count the UYOUSE wireless controller charger to upgrade anything you love about the PlayStation UHDMI or the Blu-ray DVD player. The UYOUSE wireless controller charger makes the PlayStation DualShock controller always filled with maximum power. You charge two controllers continuously. Cool. I need one of these. My nephew bought himself one of these. Same company, UYOUSE. I don't know how you pronounce it. UYOUSE. I guess that's how you say it. Five Below. Cheap stuff, but better nothing. Peace out. I'll test these things out. I'll let you guys know how they are.